FitLab PGH back with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. Here's a GoFundMe project that actually benefits everybody. We're here on the Montour Trail in Bethel Park. And what I learned when I interviewed Bill Orr of the Montour Trail Council last year for FitLab PGH is that the Montour Trail is entirely nonprofit. So you can see a giant hole here where some of the rain last month washed out the trail. The Montour Trail has a GoFundMe project to help fund the repair for this. This is one of the unrecognized jewels in Pittsburgh, the rails to trails. So take advantage of it. Consider donating a little bit of money to keep the trail ready for everyone.